Cash Explosion is kicking off our annual Facing Hunger food drive at our Steubenville High School Roadshow on Saturday, October 26th. Even though we've collected nearly 30 tons of food over the past 8 years, the need continues. So we've partnered with Urban Mission, a local nonprofit organization in Steubenville that helps fight poverty across the Ohio Valley. We're asking everyone who will be joining us in Steubenville to please bring some non-perishable food items, and let's help our friends and neighbors who are facing hunger. Helping Ohio families in need is a win for everyone.
We are officially just 2 weeks away from our road show at Steubenville High School, and I cannot wait.
We hope the only plans you've made for Saturday, October 26th, what is going on? Is joining us in Steubenville for some Cash Explosion fun. The outdoor pre-show party starts at 10 a.m. And then showtime as we welcome you into the Big Red Gymnasium. I'm sorry, what is wrong?
Yes,
What are you doing?
I am so excited. I already told you. I'm super excited for my very first road show. And not only that, I'm also excited about kicking off our Facing Hunger campaign for the 9th year in a row. Now, to date, we have collected nearly 30 tons of non-perishable food items, all thanks to the big hearts of our Cash Explosion fans. And I'm just so excited!
Okay. Of course, you can find more details about our upcoming road show at cashexplosionshow.com. Or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Cash Explosion Facebook page.
I'm so excited!
She's adorable, isn't she? We would love to hear from you.
Well, you know who's ready to hear from us right now?
Probably nobody at this point.
Tonight's players, so let's get them paid.
Oh my gosh. Tonight's contestants represent towns across Ohio,
but they're all headed to one destination, the spotlight.
Settle down a little bit.
Settle down a little bit.
Yes. All right, Rich, come on up. Hey, Rich. Back again. So how you doing?
Well, if you take my buddy away, I'll be happy.
And who's your buddy?
Arthur.
Arthur who?
You don't know Arthur?
Not
Get
yet.
old. Get old.
Get old. Oh, is that Arthritis guy?
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
That's a good one.
Rich, you ready to win money?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 2, 6, and 8. Look at them in. All right, Rich, let's turn and look at the big board. What's behind the 2? $5,000. That is a fantastic start.
And show us what's behind 6. $3,100.
Wow, already $8,100. And what's behind the 8? $3,300. Rich, that's $11,400. That's a good, strong footing at the top of the board. Congratulations. Head on over to the leader zone.
Congratulations.
That was a good start.
Oh, fantastic start.
You know who could do better? Joe could do better. Joe, come on up here. Joe, how you doing?
Good.
Like I said, you could do better. That's because all the money that Rich just won is back on this board. So you can do even better than him. Let's find out right now how you do. Here we go.
Okay.
20, 10, and 1. And he's locked him in. Here we go, Joe. It all comes down to this. Your first number, 20. What's there? $2,700.
What's behind 10? $3,100.
And then behind the 1. That's good news, Joe. That's good news. You know what that means, right?
You get to pick one of them.
You get to pick one of them. One of the top 16 Ohio lottery games. We got big money hidden behind all of them. Which one do you think hides the most?
Keno.
Keno. All right, we light up Keno. How much have you won in front of all of Ohio off the bonus board? 6, a $10,000. Just like that. What do you do with that money? Whatever you want.
Yep, start paying off bills.
There you go. How nice is that? We're gonna move the 10,000 over to the big board. We have more money behind the one. What's there? $2,200. That's $8,000 in gameplay plus the $10,000, $18,000. Joe, head on over to the leader zone.
Congratulations. Well, we've already seen some big totals so far, and we still have lots more money to give away. We're doing that after the break. Don't go away.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. Up next, Rich. Come on up. Hey, Rich, how you doing? Good. All right. So first of all, let's address these shirts.
So bright.
That is. I can see your friends. And so Rich is our second Rich on the show.
Uh-huh.
But by the end, you'll all be rich. Come on. High fives. That was a good joke. High fives, right? Come on. That is.
Please do not encourage him.
That was good. That was good. That was rich. That was rich. That was rich. That's another funny joke. High five. All right, I'm getting exhausted.
We're going to just play the game while David makes all the jokes.
Rich wants to win money. All right, Rich, let's see how you do. 7, 14, and 19. It's ridiculous that I'm out of breath just from walking over there. Rich, we want big money on this board. You want a bonus?
Bonus.
What's behind the 7? 2,200.
You want big money behind 14, maybe a double? What's there?
Double.
$3,000.
Come on, we want more. What's behind the 19?
Want a double.
Who wants a double? 2,600. All right, not a double. There wasn't a trip to the bonus board. Here's the good news. We have a second chance. We will see you there. Enjoy that money. Jolene, come on up. Hi, Jolene. How you feeling?
Great.
Great? Because you were a little nervous earlier.
A little bit.
You're not now, are you?
Nope.
No, nothing to it, right?
Nope.
You got this ticket from your mom, is that what I heard?
Yes.
Wow, she just gave you the ticket for your birthday, I heard.
Yeah.
That's a good birthday gift.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing with the money that you win from this birthday
I'm gonna
gift?
take that pretty little lady on a vacation.
There she is, right out there in the audience.
Yay.
Where are you guys going?
Depends on how much we win.
All right, let's find out right now then. 8, 13, and 4. I feel bad for the one person in the audience yelling 7. Really likes number 7. You just totally ignored him.
Maybe next time.
What's behind the 8?
Bonus.
2,600.
Going for a bonus. Is that what's behind 13? $3,100.
All right, we need big money. Big money behind the 4. What's there? Check out Mom. Mom's excited. All right, 15 of the top Ohio Lottery games left up there.
Stick with Cash Explosion.
Stick with Cash Explosion. What's behind Cash Explosion? How much has Jolene won? Somebody said 10,000. There's more than 10,000 on this board. That's what we want.
1, 2, 4.
All right. It looks like you got your 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 is, I think that's plenty to go on vacation anywhere you want. Any ideas now?
A nice long cruise.
Nice long cruise. All right, we're gonna move that over to the big board, and we're gonna find out what's behind the 4. $2,100, that's $7,800, a total of $17,800. You still have a second chance coming up. We'll see you there. I love it.
Right, we had some really good totals so far. We've had 2 trips to the bonus board. We still have 4 more players coming up to win the lottery after this. Do you want to be our next CE Superfan winner? All you gotta do is like us on Facebook and comment on one of our latest posts. We'll pick some of our favorites and feature them on an upcoming episode. In the bonus, Superfan winners will receive a Cash Explosion prize pack made up of some of our latest CE swag. How cool is that? Welcome back. We have Rich and Joe in our leader zone, but it's Jim's turn in the spotlight. Come on up, Jim.
Jim, how you doing?
Jim, well, first I want to say thank you for your service. I hear you are a veteran. And we're so excited to have you here. It's always great when we have people who watch the show, been playing for a long time, and you're a long-time player, right?
Long time.
Awesome. And
I'm
see?
ready to get even here.
Right. Well, that lets all of Ohio know that you got to play, and then you end up right here.
All right.
Great. All right, let's see how much you win. 4, 7, and 11. All right, Jim, turning here to our big board, $8,100 will put you in the second spot on our leader zone. What is behind 4?
Start with a bonus.
$5,000.
Oh, that's a strong start. What's behind the 7, Jim? 2,500. Already at 7,500. That's good news.
So this will put you definitely in our leader zone, but by how much? What's behind 11?
Bonus.
$2,000, Jim. That's $9,500. Congratulations. And next up is Philip.
Philip, come on up. Philip posing in his seat before he even got up here.
Philip, well, welcome back here to the spotlight. Now, I hear you are in a lot of bowling leagues. Is that right?
Yeah.
How many bowling leagues?
5.
5
bowling leagues?
Wow.
Wow.
I'd say you're probably a pretty good bowler, huh?
Okay.
Your friends and family in the audience are saying yes. Well, you know what? We can get you a shiny new bowling ball, maybe a new bowling bag. You know, do a lot of things
your
with
own
your
bowling
winning.
alley.
Right.
That I like.
There you
Yeah. All right. Well, let's see how much you win here today, Philip.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
4, 14, and 19.
What are you laughing at?
Do you like those numbers? You gotta hit that big lock button for us.
Uh,
You still can change them. You like them?
Okay.
All right, locked them in. All right. 4, 14, and 19. What's behind 4?
bonus.
$2,400.
All right. So the one audience member that's been yelling, which we love, she goes, 14, you picked. She goes, all right. Finally picked a number for her. What's behind the 14?
Double.
$2,600.
All right, maybe it could be a double behind 19. What's behind 19?
Bonus.
$5,000, Philip. That
Second
takes you to
place.
$10,000 in second place. Congratulations.
All right. Head on over to the leader zone.
We've got a lot of changes on our leaderboard so far. Terry's hoping for another change. Come on up, Terry. Terry, welcome to the spotlight. Now, you're somebody who's been kind of playing for a little bit, and then here you are, right?
Yeah, just 4 months.
Wow, 4 months. So, hey,
long time.
we got all kinds of people. People who've been playing for a long time, people who just started playing. You all have the same chance to be right here in the spotlight.
Exactly.
Well, let's see how much money you win, Terry. 12, 2, and 19. All right, Terry, turning here, $10,100 will put you in our leader zone. What's behind 12? $3,400. It's a good start.
And behind the 2, $3,200. Gonna be another close one.
And what's behind 19? $2,900, Terry. That's $9,500. It's a good total. Congratulations.
See you in second chance. We got one player left. It happens after this, then on to the second chance, then on to the championship game, the cash
So
challenge.
much more money to give away.
So much more to go. Don't go away.
Welcome back to Cash Explosion. Our last contestant of the night is Patty. Patty, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So here you are in the spotlight in front of all of Ohio. Who do you want to say hello to?
I want to say thank you to the girls at Rich Oil where I buy my tickets. And I want to say hello to the girls at Wayne Tax Center where I do my taxes.
Nice. Awesome.
Be nice to them now before they take all your money.
Right.
All right, Patty. Well, $10,100 will get you into the cash challenge. So let's see if you can do it.
I'd like to do it.
3, 9, and 15. All right, if you like those, hit that big board. Awesome. All right, turning here to the big board. And what's behind 3? $2,500.
Okay, and behind the 9, $2,000. We got some work to do.
We need big money behind 15. Could be a double. What's behind 15?
Double.
$2,100. Patty, that's $6,600. We'll see you in the second chance game. Congratulations. Like this, right?
Yeah, I'll take you back here. Congratulations.
We want to congratulate our top 2 winners, Rich and Philip. We are doubling those totals. Rich, your total goes to $22,800. Philip, your total goes to $20,000. These 2 will meet our defending champion, Cheryl, in the cash challenge to play for $50,000, along with the winner of our second chance game. All that's coming up. Don't go away. Congratulations. Congratulations. Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the December 7th Cash Explosion show are coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. One of you is about to claim another $5,000 plus earn a trip to the Cash Challenge. Let's find out who it is. Joe. Get some help from his family. Picking the letter. Going with the E. Great. Next up is Rich. D. Locked it in. Jolene. A. Locked it in. Jim. E, locked it in. Terry. S. And finally, Patty. C. Locked it in. All right. Now it's time to find out who is going to the Cash Challenge. Terry, your second chance paid off. You win another $5,000 and you're playing in the Cash Challenge. Congratulations.
Tonight's champion, Cheryl, as defending champion. You start us off. Remind me, how much are you playing for tonight?
$100,000.
Wow. Where do you think your name's hidden?
3.
Behind the 3. Terry, our second chance winner. Rich,
Yes, sir.
what number would you like?
Number 8.
Number 8. Who's behind the 8? Philip. Philip, what number would you like?
Number 10.
Number 10. Who's there? Rich. Terry, what number would you like?
4.
Number 4. Terry.
That was lucky.
Your friend just scared the snot out of me. As excited as she got to see your name twice, I'm afraid to see what happens if your name comes up again. Cheryl.
1.
Number 1. Who's behind number 1? Rich. All right, Rich, if you can find your name right now, you win $50,000.
I'll take the number 2.
Number 2. Who's behind 2? Rich! Rich, you just won $50,000. Rich Power of Toledo, you are tonight's champion. You win $50,000. You're coming back next week to play for more.
Thanks, Sarah.
I was saying, $100,000 is a good week, right?
Congratulations to all of tonight's players. Join us next week to see if Rich will keep his winning streak going.
Keep buying those tickets. Good luck. Good night.